Trouble continues to brew between local workers attached to the Mandela Highway Improvement Project and the project contractor, China Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC. The situation led to a protest by local workers outside the Chinese company's office today. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that story.
We need better justice, equal rights.
That's what the local workers attached to the Mandela Highway Improvement Project are demanding for a second time this week. On Wednesday, the workers staged a protest voicing disgust at the treatment they've been receiving from their employer, China Harbour Engineering Company Limited, CHEC. Chief among the issues were lack of safety gear, their salary, and disrespect. Today, the workers used debris to block the entrance of the Chinese Harbour Engineering Company's office, demanding answers.
A years now we work with $300 an hour, and the rate sheet shows so we forget more than that.
And the first way I see this rate sheet.
And no, never rate.
And the first to see it because the police them come.
They can't go so. We need a better solution for the worker them. We're there. We work hard every day.
This armored vehicle experienced delays as a result of the protest. The situation got so heated that even the police had to be called in.
The liaison officers, who are the representatives of the laborers, they will be meeting with the Chinese Harbour management to trash out whatever issues they have in terms of concerns, safety gears, etc., etc. But our presence here is to ensure that the peace is clear.
The debris was later cleared. But while most workers blame the Chinese construction company for the problem, at least one worker thinks differently.
Blame the government, them, you know. You see me there? Because if the government them never want happen right now, it would not happen.
Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Western, Anthony Hilton, also visited the area.
I first engaged in the work. I'm hearing their concerns and their complaints, and we'll have a discussion with the Chinese about that with a view to see how we can sort out whatever the problems and the issues are.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.